Hello CGDivers community, exciting news. I've got an incredible offer to share with you today. Leartes Studios put together an enormous bundle of 19 assets. And they slashed the price from $1,294 all the way down to $100. This is a deal you don't want to miss. But wait a second. It's getting even better. I've been in touch with Leartes Studios and they've agreed to a special deal with our CGDivers community. They're offering to our community an exclusive 70% discount. That 70% discount is bringing down the price of this mega bundle to only $29.99. But act fast because this offer is only available until the 1st of February. You will find the link with the additional 70% discount in the description of this video. Simply copy and paste it into your browser and I walk you through the process of how to apply the discount code. When you open the website, first you see that the price is $100. Then you need to click I want this. After that you can put up your credit card information. On the left side you can see the 19 assets that the bundle contains. You just need to type CG70. This is the discount code for 70%. Hit apply and then you can buy the entire bundle for $30 without VAT. Plus, here is the best part. So those assets are coming with free lifetime updates. So you always have the latest and the greatest versions of these assets. But that's not all, guys. We've also secured a 30% lifetime discount of our CGDivers community on all of Leartes' 210 products. Just use the code CG30 at checkout to take advantage of the 30% discount. Are you ready to see what's included in this mega bundle? Let's dive into a quick overview of assets. So those are the Cyberpunk shotguns. As you can see over here, they're pretty detailed. And the details on the weapons are high enough to have this AAA quality. Also, you have those pretty cute shotguns. This pack includes all the textures, meshes. The meshes are created from different parts so they are able to be animated. Also you have some specific master materials, material functions and material instances that you can modify. The motorbike itself is playable. You can play with this motorbike. It has blueprints, it has the chaos system. What you need to have in your Unreal Engine plugins is to enable the chaos system and the Houdini plugin. Over here you can see we have a test map, we have an overview of the bike. The bike is built up from different parts so it can be animated through the chaos system. And the bike's blueprint system itself is pretty complicated. You have a radio, steering wheel, engine sounds and a lot more functions for the bike. The India city is pretty cool. Let me show you the asset itself. This is the level that it's created and all those assets are built like a kit bash. If you're looking for that cartoonish look and you need a map that is representing India, this is the right one and it will suit up perfectly into your cartoon game. The city itself is pretty big and you can see here you have even props outside to simulate desert. You can use those assets in order to create your custom level. All those assets are layered down and from those assets you can create different types of building because the asset itself is built like a kit bash. In the Warzone VFX pack you have smoke, you have a fire which is a 2D plane and it's pretty optimized for games. If you need sparks, this pack includes also different kind of sparks. There are also different kind of dust clouds. The next is if you need ash, for example, you have a nuclear blast or something like this. This pack includes an ash effect. And the last one is different kind of water. So this is like a waterfall. This is maybe a dripping water from a sink. And those are just water drops. The Wetland Sanctuary looks pretty good and it has some awesome effects like this one, the neon sign. The details itself on this level are pretty good. You can see that every texture is very high and it has a little bit of this cartoonish into realistic graphics. And of course all the assets are created like a kit bash so you can build up different environments and different structures by combining all those assets together. The boxing club scene is pretty cute and it has this cell shading with a little bit of outline over here. It is built up a complete gym over here and this is a day scene. Also there is a night level with very good lighting created. And if you look here in the end, you can see only the cell shading working with the outline, giving that a little bit of 2D cartoonish look. And it is built up from different pieces and with those pieces you can build up different environments. It is highly rich on props, so this is a pretty good looking environment. The Cyberpunk lab itself looks pretty AAA, and I've got this vibe of Cyberpunk 2077, and everything is pretty highly detailed. The textures itself, the touch and the detail on the complete scene is just awesome. So you can create different laboratory scenes in the spirit of Cyberpunk 2077. And of course, all the assets are created like a kit bash, so you can create a different kind of laboratories and environments. There is also an advanced tutorial with Maya ZBrush Substance Painter, and the total amount of watch time is 7 hours. And in the end, you will have this high poly and very realistic mirror. Another tutorial is a time lapse of creating this highly detailed scene by scattering different objects. And let me quickly go through the other scenes. The Roman street environment. This environment looks very realistic, and if you're searching for these Roman Empire streets, this is the asset for you. The next one is this Havana street. This is a cartoon street, very cute covers. So if you want to create a game or a scene using this Havana street, this is included in the bundle. And in this bundle you can find also environments for Unity. This is one of the many. As you can observe here, this environment is pretty high fidelity. The next one is also for Unity, which is a cartoony house interior. This interior is perfect for some cute games or maybe a movie, and it has a little bit of this vibe of Courage if you watch Cartoon Network. Moving further is the medieval tavern, which is also for Unity. This tavern has a lot of details in it, so if you're looking for a tavern for your medieval RPG or a fantasy RPG, this is again the right scene for you. The next one is a fantasy castle environment. And this fantasy castle is very detailed over here. It has a lot of assets inside to build this castle. And this castle is made for Unity, not for Unreal. And this is an English cottage interior, which you can use for your interior design or for some kind of a game. This interior has a very high poly assets over here. As you can see, this horse, and the materials itself are PBR based and they are photorealist. So this is how it looks when you purchase the asset in Gumroad. You'll have a lifetime access and update for free for all those assets. Thank you guys for the ongoing support. See you in the next video.